Hi everyone, today we are going to do a video on these speakers here. Now I've had these in my cupboard for at least like 2 or 3 years and I never got to use them, but finally we are going to do a video of them. Let's get started. Yes, we're going to take it apart today. We're not going to take the drivers out though, because I don't want any of them getting damaged. These are worth a lot of money. There's the cover. And the back of it too. Okay. Let's put that aside. Let's have a look here. Oh, look at that. Well, I guess we can take the woofer out though. Hold on a sec. Alright guys, we got the woofer out. Here's the woofer. Right there. That is really nice. It's pretty nice. Yeah, I don't know about you, but I don't know about the tweeter though. Now, if I show you closely, move that to one side. And if you look, you see the tweeter moving. What? I know, right? It's crazy. Have you ever seen a tweeter move? Like an actual woofer? That's nuts. That's crazy. Reminds me of a Marlin tweeter. Marlin. I guess we could take it out, but we won't touch the wires though. That's the thing. Be right back. So we're just moving it over here for a minute, just so I can get a better angle. Alright guys, so I got the screws undone. Now let's have a look at the tweeter here. Yes, I know it's attached, but I don't want to wreck it. How is it still working even if it's broken? Let's test it with a battery. Proof that it still works. No, it doesn't work, so... Wait. Oh, the wires are touching. Oh dear. Okay, the tweeter does work, but I don't know how it still works because the wire's come undone. Man, it must have an extra lead in there or something. Weird. Because it's so annoying. let's get a different angle here. Hang on. Use this to get a different angle. Now, if you look closely, you can see it's actually all separated there. If you look right there, there's a little gap, and if you look on the other side, but if you look right there real closely, you see the terminal is lopsided a little bit. You see that little gap there? You see right there. See? Look at the other gap there. Right here. That's completely solid. I don't know how it does that, but it must have a connection in there or something. Yes. I can see the wire. Interesting. If I push that back in or something, push it back in, but I don't have any epoxy though. That's the thing. So I don't want to wreck this, but fingers crossed it won't break. No, I don't want to wreck it too much. I don't want to wreck it too much. Alright, if I get some pliers, I got a solution that actually might work. Might do, but ow. Sorry, it's my leg playing up today. Lol, that was just a joke. Don't break. Right. I got it out. Oh, it's the tweeter right there. That's the tweeter. Now. If you look at the tweeter, see? It actually moves, so we have to get some epoxy under there. But I don't have any, but I could get some in there somehow, but and just fix it up and it's pretty interesting, like how tweeters actually work. Yeah, hang on, I'll be right back. I'll go see if I got some epoxy left. So apparently you can fix this with a little bit of super glue, but oh, where's the time now? It's 4:40. Very interesting. focus on that real quick. You see that? And if you look right there, see? SONY. Pretty awesome, huh? And this is the woofer here. Woof, woof, woof. I'm sorry. This is the actual speaker here. I got no idea of what the actual plates are made from though, like the terminal plates. I got no idea what they're made from, but they're quite interesting material. Plasticky type, foamy, metal-y type stuff they use. I'll show you the woofers work. Watch. That's pretty cool. Look. That is so cool. So compared to a woofer, and a tweeter, yeah. Anyway guys, I guess that'll be the end of this video. If you want to see part 2, subscribe for more. And also, this is what the speaker looks like. It's been put together. That's the tweeter up top. And a woofer on the bottom. Just like that. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this little interesting educational video. If you did enjoy, please like, comment and subscribe. Sorry, I'm quite itchy. And also this is where the tweeter goes. That's where it goes. This is where the woofer goes. It's a big boy. Right there. And this is what it looks like when they're all together, like that. When they're both together. It's like that. Simple. Tweeter. Woofer. Woofer tweeter. Yeah. Alright guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.